Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're seeing this Windows error, no product key was found. Error code 0xc004f213. Here's how to fix it, fast and easy. Step 1. Open Settings A System Activation. Click Troubleshoot. Windows will try to auto-activate if it finds a digital license. Step 2. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Go to Settings, Accounts, Your Info. Sign in with the same account you used before. Then return to Activation and click Troubleshoot again. Step 3. Enter your product key. Click Change Product Key. Enter your 25-digit key. Click Next. Activate. Still stuck? Contact Microsoft support, especially if you've replaced your motherboard or hardware. That's it. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.